What's in these boxes? Let's find out. Stay tuned. What's in the box? I just recently purchased the Angler Collapsible Background Kit, 5x7 Chroma Blue and Green. So it was on sale for $69.85 at B&H, and they had a deal zone special. Normally it runs at $98.94. It came in 3 boxes and one behind me. Let's go on and unbox this. Okay, this looks like the headpiece for the clip where you clip the top of the blue or green, and this mounts on the light stand or stand. Let's go open this. Looks like high durable plastic. This feels like aluminum. The knob is plastic. So this, what you push back, should hold that Chroma Blue or green. Like I said, this mounts into the stand. So there's a springboard that goes backwards, and it's made by Impact. Let's open this other box. This might be the stand. A big box inside a small thin box. It's an 8-foot made by Impact. Okay, stand feels pretty sturdy. It's aluminum. The knobs are plastic. Okay. It's not as easy as it tracks up and down. Well, that feels like a spring. This is where you mount if you wanted to put a different head on top of that. But you can this head here without taking out the rubber piece. If I can unscrew this thoroughly all the way in. Okay. That holds it in place. Let's spread the legs open so it can stand on its own. Now let's open up the blue and green screen, reversible. I don't want to cut it in a way I damage the blue or green screen. Voila! Get this out of here. Give some room to work. It's got some weight to it. Check this out. There is a window in front so you can see what color, either green or blue. That's kind of neat. I've never seen cases that have a window, but that should help out as far as what you want to use right away. Okay. The carrier for this seems pretty good. I'm sure these zippers are gonna break eventually. Majority of these carriers tend to break eventually anyways. But take care of it. It should last quite some time. The frames have metal feel to it. They don't feel like the plastic types. All right. Oh, it's already hitting my light. Wow, this thing is pretty big. This thing is pretty big, guys. It's tall if you wanted to have a tall profile. For now, that should suffice. Bam! The material is really good. The cloth feels really good. I can definitely use this on a lot of the shoots. And the more you have it open, a lot of the wrinkles seems to be fading out, but I'm sure if you steam it, it will eventually go away. And if you wanted to, you just clip onto this and let it hang. But right now, I'm just going to let it stand. So far, so good. I think I am quite happy with this purchase. It makes it easier for me to break it down. I don't have to set up rolls of green paper, putting on 2 stands and rigging it that way. This will be a lot quicker. Take it out of the container, open it up, have the stand, clip it, and there you go. Or just lean it against the wall. I'm ready to shoot. I'm quite happy with this purchase. Thank you, Angler. Thank you, B&H. If you like this video, smash that like button and subscribe. I will see you on the next video. Peace.